First, I'm going to kickstart by cutting my meat into 1 inch or 1.5 inch size chunk. And the best way to achieve that is to cut them into long strips, as you can see. And then once you do that, you're going to take each strip and also cut it into the inch size that I'm talking about, as you can see from the video. After that, I'm going to go ahead and prepare some chopped garlic and also ginger. And also I'm going to prepare some onions, some fresh chili, and also I'm going to cut some tomatoes as well. We are going to go ahead and sear our meat. What searing means is basically cooking your meat on high temperatures just to brown it on all sides, and it's usually used to enhance flavor on the meat. Once you do that, we're going to add our garlic and the fresh chili that we had chopped. And then after, I'm going to season this meat using some salt and some black pepper. After a couple of minutes, I'm going to also add my onions and tomatoes. Take note that I'm also giving it time by covering it, giving it time to cook, constantly mixing it for some little time before then adding my spices like turmeric, chili powder, curry powder, cumin powder, and also coriander powder. After which you're going to give this some good mix. Let these spices cook together with the flavors from the beef, all to incorporate together. After which we're going to add some little water to let all the ingredients infuse properly. On the other hand, I'm going to prepare some cauliflower. This cauliflower, I want to serve it together with the beef, and all I need to do is pluck out the chunks of cauliflower and then cutting them into reasonable edible sizes, and then I'm going to boil them on inside some chicken stock, just blanching for halfway, not for too long, about 10 minutes. Also, I'm going to prepare some 3 components, that is coconut. I'm going to open up a fresh new coconut, and I'm going to cut it into small pieces together with onions, some ginger, and some cilantro. And once the beef is done cooking, I'm going to open up my pressure cooker and I'm going to add in my ginger and cilantro first. I'm going to give this a good mix it well, and then I'm going to add in the coconut and the onions as well. After simmering for a couple of minutes, I'm going to set aside the beef and wait for it to rest for service, while I'm going to prepare some cauliflower by adding some cooking oil into a cooking pot. I'm going to add in some onions, some powdered garlic. I'm also going to add some tomato paste. I'll add in my cauliflower that I already set aside after the blanching, and then I'm going to give this a good mix, season it with some salt and black pepper, and then I'm going to garnish it using some green leeks. And then I'm going to start up my rice by adding some ginger garlic chopped into a cooking pot, and also adding some onions. This is going to be followed by giving time for it to brown, giving it a good mix. After browning for a couple of minutes, I'm going to add in my rice. This rice I had soaked it for like 15 minutes or so, and now after draining off the water, I've added the rice and also some turmeric powder. I'm going to give that a good mix. I'm going to add in some cilantro as well, some seasoning, salt and black pepper, and then I'm going to add in my water. With the right amount of water to rice ratio, you're going to have a good result like the one you're seeing on the video, where the rice is nicely cooked, not sticking to one another, and also nice and hot. This is where we're going to plate our food, and the choice of how you present your food, it's totally depends on you. Don't forget to also try it out with your family. Try out this beef recipe, tell me what you think. And for those who are new to this platform, kindly subscribe, help me to grow this platform. And also for the guys who have kept it here for some time, thank you. And don't forget to like, and I'll see you in the next video.